Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm from magwheel company. Our company is specialized in producing skateboards, not the normal ones, but the electric one. Now we have a model. We will try it. We will see if you want to buy it. The package is like this. You will need to open it. The package is a little bit big because the electric skateboard is not small. Like this. This is the external one. So now we are going to see the packages of the magwheel. First, when you will receive the package, you will receive the external one. It's just yellow, normal. And inside you will find the colorful one, like this. Here, you can open. And you will find some information about the company, like the address, the email, the phone number, like this. And you also have some charger. Now we are going to see the charger. When you will buy the magwheel skateboard, you will receive also a charger. It's like this. And because all over the world there are different types of chargers. Like if you are from USA or Europe or China, you can choose the convenient one for you. Like if you are from China or from USA or Europe, you can choose. That's dependent on your choice. And also you have here the instruction book. You will find some information about the skateboard and also how to use it, the item, and how to charge it.
Okay, so Martin, can we write it out to show us how to use the one we bought?
Of course, let's go right now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here, as you see, we want to turn it on. So the first step is we will press just once and you will see it's lighting 3 times and the sound peep 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 3 times. That means it's on. Okay, now we see the other side. If one side is touching the land, that means like this, it's lighting 3 times. And if the other side, it's the same. Okay, let's try it again. And after turning on, you need to get in. So the first step is you put your foot in the middle like this, and then you put the second foot here. You try to be like in a balance because the skateboard works like this. If you want to go like this, you use your shoulders if you want to go, and if you want to change, you go like this. The most important is you use your shoulder. Your weight is more important. And if you want to stop, you just change. If you want to stop, like this. Now my body is in a balance, so I'm stopping. If I want to move, I use my shoulder. If I want to change my side, I will use the other shoulder. We also want to say during the first time you are using the skateboard, you need to wear the helmet and some protective tools because it would be dangerous during the first time. And the second one, if you are alone, don't try. But you need to be with somebody else because the first time maybe your body will be shaken or just around you have to use something like here. There is nothing. I can't go there. But if I'm going there, there is a tree. I can use it to stop because the first time it would be a little difficult to stop by yourself. And the third thing, the speed shouldn't be too high. Like just take it easy. The first time you should be very slow, but by time you can drive it faster. Now it's time to show you how to accelerate it if you want to ride it. The first, the first thing, it would be too slow. But if you want to accelerate it, you need to use your shoulders and keep going. If you want to accelerate, you use your shoulders. If you are just like this, it would be very slow, like this. If you want to change your side or if you want to accelerate it, you need to use your shoulders. And if you want to stand still like this, your body need to be in balance like this. Now I'm fixed. But if I want to move, if I want to accelerate, I will just keep going like this. Just keep going. If I'm normal like this, my body. There's another point we want to say is you have to be careful while you are driving or riding the skateboard. You need to be careful because once the skateboard reached 80% of the full speed, there's a reminder will tell you beep beep beep. You will hear like this sound. That means the speed is very high and reaches the 80% of the full speed. So this is a good advantage of this skateboard. So just for your safety and your protection. Now it's time to show you how to get off from the skateboard. There are different ways you can get off. Like the first one is you just jump. It's very easy. If you are not familiar with the skateboard, you can use this way. Like just prepare, be ready, and you jump like this. Let's try it again. Stand, and your body should be in balance like this. You take your equilibrium, then you jump like this. The second way, you can stand, don't move, and just you use one foot. Let's try it again. Stand and like this. This is also easy. And the last one, the last way is you don't need to be moved. You just use your foot and like this. Now let's talk about the T3 and T2 model. Uh, Personally, when I ride the T3 model, you feel it's easy to go up, and you feel like you are flying or something like this. It's easier and more faster than the T2. T2, you need to make effort if you want to go up, and it's not faster like the T3 model. As you see, we are in a park. The scenery is good. The weather is nice today. It lets you feel relaxed. The trees, the flowers. It's easier to turn around. Let's try it again. This park is very big, so we have enough place to try it. Let's turn around and go back. The families here are enjoying the day. Now we are going up. There are stairs, so we can't keep going, so we will go back. So now we are going to show you how to turn around. Now we are going to straight, and if we want to turn around, like we use our shoulders, the right one here and in front, like this. If you want to turn left and a little bit in front, okay, like this. Let's try it again. Now back, two straight, back, and like this.